that many professionals, IT professionals, they come into this domain in the lure of higher salaries, but then they have to leave because the frameworks keep changing and also the threat landscape, right? It is very too
Exactly.
dynamic to keep up
Mhm.
with. So,
Yeah.
what advice would you give to those professionals who are coming into this
Yeah. So cybersecurity is one domain which we cannot judge. I mean, we cannot give any bracket to our salaries in that terms, because if you have interest and if you are ready to learn, then that would be the more power to you actually. So once you are upskilling yourself, the salary will follow you. It's not like if I'm getting this much, so it's this salary is not in my bracket, so I won't opt for that. So that does mean that you are not into cybersecurity, and you are not keen to work on that field. So just simply you can opt out, so if you have that kind of mindset. So this is just only for people who are like very dedicated and they are very eager to learn new things. Even after so many years or something, many people are still learning because they have that fire in them, so to update themselves for the future attacks and whatever scenarios are coming across. So this is
one?
only for like, yeah, so you have to be prepared for like for the change to evolve with you